Good morning, children. After a long gap, we are together here. Now I am going to take history first lesson, the outbreak of the First World War. In this lesson, we are going to see about the causes, the cause and the results of the First World War. Here, before that, we are going to see about the introduction. In this First World War, why it is called the First World War? Before this First World War, many wars were happened then, but even though this is called as First World War because most of the countries of the world, especially the European countries, the Asian countries and the African countries, they participated and many civilian, they lost their life, many destroyed, many disasters has happened. That's why this is called as the First World War, and it started in 1914 and ended in 1918. This is the great world war which has happened in the world for the first time. So this is called as the First World War. In this lesson, we are going to see what were the causes for the First World War first. Here, before that, in the 20th century, during this time, all the European nations, they wanted to be the highest, the most powerful. The Great Britain, it want that it should be the first. Then the Asian country, the Japan, it wants that she should be the first. Like that, many European countries and Asian countries, they fought with each other to become first, and they colonized many Asian and African countries. So in that, the Great Britain, it got the first rank and it got the name, the sun never sets in British Empire. So in this First World War, we are going to see what are the causes first. Here, before that, all the European countries, they scrambled, they divided into two main rivalries. In 1882, the Triple Alliance, it was formed between the Triple Alliance. Triple means three. Three countries they formed and they made each other. The countries are Germany, Austria-Hungary. They are twin countries, Austria, Hungary and Italy. They formed the Triple Alliance in 1882. On seeing this, in 1904, the Triple Entente was formed. Entente was formed between Great Britain and France. Here, this Great Britain, it supported France to occupy Morocco. So for that, France, it agreed the occupation of Great Britain in Egypt. So on seeing this Triple Entente, the Triple Alliance nations, they got angry. So they wanted to defeat these two countries. For that they allied, they secretly, they made many conferences, secretly they made many agreements against this Triple Entente. After seeing this, this Russia also joined with this Triple Entente. So afterwards, it is called as Triple Entente. First, it was called as Triple Cordial, and afterwards, it is called as Triple Entente. So all these three nations, Russia, Great Britain, and France, these three countries, they joined together and they formed this Triple Alliance. They are called as the Allies. And Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy, they were called as Central Powers. So these were happened in European countries, European nations. At this time, these countries, they started to occupy. They made many colonies in Asia as well as in Africa. So after this, this Italy, it started, this Italian country, it want on seeing the victories of this triple entity, after slowly it started to join with this triple entity to get more victory, to get more profit from this. Yeah, at this time in Asia, the main country was Japan. Yeah, because of all why they were made colonies means the main aim, the main theme was the imperialism. Imperialism means a country's control over another country. This is called as imperialism. A country made a control over another country through military powers, through spheres of influence, like that. So this is the main cause for the outbreak of the First World War. Here in Asia, the Japan, this Japan, it also wanted to occupy some colonies in Asia and Africa. In this scene, the Japan did not come at that time. So in Asia, in the Asian countries, Japan became the first by defeating China. China was a big nation that we all know, the first populated country in the world, and also the area of China is also vast comparing to Japan. Japan is very little. We all know that the area is also very little, the population is also very little. So, but even though this Japan, it defeated China in the Sino-Japanese War. In the Sino-Japanese War, Japan defeated China. So, on seeing at that time, the war became this Japan and China. All on seeing this war, all the countries of the world, they got surprised. This small little Japan is occupying this China. So what will happen? Whether Japan will get a victory or China will get victory, like that, all the nations of the world eagerly they are watching the Sino-Japanese War. But lastly, this Japan, it defeated China, and Japan got victory. So it became one of the world powers among this Germany, the central powers, the what I said, the allies, and it also became the world, one of the world powers in Asian side. These are all the European countries that we all know. In Asian side, Japan became one of the world powers. So in this slowly this Japan, it started to rise. It started to rise its power, and it started to occupy many colonies in Africa and Asia also. So in Asia, Japan and China, they started rivalry among themselves, and in the Sino-Japanese War, Japan got victory and China was defeated. So after the Sino-Japanese War, Japan also became one of the world power among the Triple Alliance, Central Powers that is, and Allies, and in Asian powers, Japan became one of the world powers. Here we can see that the love for one country demanded hatred for another country. This is the main reason for the outbreak of the First World War. Here next we are going to see about this Germany, the important country Germany. Here the ruler of Germany was Kaiser William II. Germany's emperor was Kaiser William II. He was the emperor of Germany, and he wanted his German country to become the world power. So for that, he started to expand its navy, army, and all what are all the defense forces. He started to expand it, and for that he wanted to occupy all the colonies in Asia, most of the colonies in Asia and Africa. The main rivalry of Germany was Great Britain, because already we saw that there was a proverb that the sun never sets in British Empire. So that proverb it angered this Kaiser William II, because he wanted to be Germany as the world power. So in the meantime we are going to see about the Balkan states. Here in the Balkan, the main country was Turkey. It was ruled by Ottoman Turks. Turkey was ruled by Ottoman Turks. There were many countries in the Balkans. They are Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria, and Montenegro. The many countries are there. The important countries in the Balkans are Greece. They are called as the Balkan Peninsula countries. Here this Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and Montenegro. Here among these countries the main important country was Turkey. It was ruled by the Ottoman Turks. So these countries, they joined together and they followed some agreements to fought against Turkey. They wanted to defeat Turkey, especially the Ottoman Turks. So for that they made some alliance between them. At that time one conference was made. In that conference Austria was agreed to occupy Bosnia and Herzegovina, the two countries. Here Austria in one conference, in the conference Austria was accepted by the conference to occupy Bosnia and Herzegovina, but the Balkan countries, they did not accept that, especially this Serbia, because in Bosnia the population, the main population, the people, they are Serbians. The population, they belong to Serbia. Most of the people, they belong to Serbia. So this Serbia, it didn't accept the occupation of Austria in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So it fought against Austria, that it said in Bosnia many people, they belong to my country only. Many Serbians are living there. So Bosnia to be belong to me only. Like that it fought against Austria at that time. Already we saw the central powers, Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. They are called as Triple Alliance countries. Triple Alliance. So because of the Triple Alliance, this to support Austria, Germany, it gave its support to Austria. So at that time, the Serbia, it wanted to occupy Bosnia and Herzegovina, I told you already. And also in the meantime, France, it accepted Great Britain's occupation in Egypt, and Great Britain accepted this France occupation in Morocco. So the countries, they were defeated. They wanted to defeat each other. So in the meantime, Serbia, it attacked this Austria, especially the Austrian crown prince. His name was Francis Ferdinand. Francis Ferdinand. The crown prince of Austria was Francis Ferdinand. He was assassinated by one Serbian lad. Lad in the sense youth. One Serbian youth, he assassinated this Francis Ferdinand. This Francis Ferdinand was the crown prince of Austria. Next, he should be the emperor. So the Serbian, it sent one ultimatum to ask why you assassinated my king. Like that, it sent an ultimatum. But the Serbia, it did not gave answer anything to Austria. So Austria got angry and it attacked Serbia. This became the immediate cause for the First World War. Austria, it attacked Serbia in the year 1914. This was the immediate cause for the First World War. And on the side of, already we saw that Germany, it gave its support to Austria. So, Germany, it gave its support to Austria, and this Russia, she gave her support to Serbia. Russia was one of the country in Allies. So, the Allies countries are Great Britain, France and Russia. So, these all the Allies countries. Germany, Austria and Italy, they are called as the Central Powers. So, these, the countries, they were defeated, they wanted to become, they fought against each other, and the First World War was started in the year 1914. In the meantime, I told you that the Balkans, these countries, you have to remember this is the main, this was also one of the cause, the Balkan wars. The two wars were happened in Balkans. Here, at this time, this Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and Montenegro, they wanted to occupy Turkey, I told you. Just remember that among these four countries, they joined together and they attacked this Turkey. This was called as First Balkan War. First Balkan War. In this war, Turkey was defeated and these countries, they got victory. So, they wanted to share Turkey among themselves. Most of the places, the lion's share were sent to Serbia. Serbia got lion's share. So, these countries, they got angry on Serbia, and Bulgaria especially, it attacked Serbia. It was called as Second Balkan War. Among Second Balkan War, in this war, Bulgaria was defeated. So, there was a much clash between all the European countries, and many European countries, they mingled, and the Asian countries also, they joined in the war. That is why this war is called as the First World War. Here, these were the causes for the First World War. Children, listen. Next, in the next class, we'll see the cause of the war and the results of the war. After the First World War, the League of Nations was formed to maintain world peace. That and all we are going to see after this in the second class, and especially after the First World War, many causes were happened. What are all the countries they defeated, what are all the countries they got victory, and finally the Central Powers, they were defeated. Germany was fully crushed by the Allies. That and all we will see in the next class. Children, you have to buy the books. Without book you cannot learn anything. So in the page number 1, from 1 to 5, you are having this all the introduction and all these causes, what are all the causes, the countries, that and all, you have the years, you have to see from the book only. If you have the book only, you can learn. So tell your parents to pay the fees and you can get the book. The books are available in our school, the teachers are coming to school and we are teaching, and in office also it is functioning. So you just tell your parents to pay the fees and you get the books, then only you can follow the lesson. Have you understand, children? Tomorrow in the next class we can see the course of the World War and the results of the First War. Understand, children? Thank you, children. We'll see you by tomorrow. Thank you.